You don't have to, and video 2 of Judge Boyd's birthday month. Happy birthday, Judge Boyd. We love you. This kid really needs some guidance. It pains me to hear the way the kid talks when he's standing in front of a judge. It's not disrespectful. It's just because he was never taught the proper way to do anything. And I thank my parents every day when I see how these teens act a fool in social situations. And I promise you, Judge Boyd is fuming after the responses this kid gives her. And after a certain point, she can't hide anymore. She has some questions. Like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Make sure you check out Time Served 2. Rolling out new cases daily. Let's roll, nerds.
There is, Your Honor.
Court is calling 2025 CR 010484, State versus Theon Walker. Could I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Brandon Lopez for Mr. Walker.
And are you Mr. Walker?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, probation, this is an application. Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
We have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Walker, did you review?
And here we go. The official charge. Theft of property, a state jail felony. Translation? Not just a slap on the wrist. This could mean real time. And that deferred adjudication you'll hear about, it's like legal probation before judgment. One wrong move, and it becomes a full conviction.
The true bill of indictment with your attorney. Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We waive reading, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Walker, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with theft for property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. I have questions.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, how do you know this person?
I met him at North Star Mall.
So, some guy from North Star Mall that you just met picks you up and takes you to his house to shower and change clothes? So, you meet some stranger at North Star Mall. Had you met him before North Star Mall?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how do you know him?
Because my homeboy knows him. So we went to chill one day and he was with him. So we just.
Okay. I don't understand a word you're saying. You're mumbling.
My homeboy, like one of my friends, he knows him. And we went to go chill. And then he was with him. So we all got to know each other.
At North Star Mall?
Yes, ma'am.
And then from North Star Mall, this person that you just met with your friend took you back to his place?
No, that happened like weeks after.
All right. So you meet him for a little bit at North Star Mall. Then weeks after, you meet him again?
Yeah, like we.
Pause for a second. This story is wild. A teenager trusting random strangers at the mall? The judge's face says it all. She's hearing red flag after red flag. The tension's building. She's not just judging the crime. She's judging his judgment.
We went to chill at his crib.
What?
We went to go chill at his crib.
So you and your friend went to chill with him at his crib?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then what ends up happening?
And then we got into an argument. So I took his car.
Who is we?
Me and the person that.
So why does that mean you take his vehicle because you got in an argument with him? And that's not what the police report says.
Well, that's what happened.
No, the police report says victim stated that suspect had been invited over to the location where he could stay for a day and shower while getting victim's clothes. Victim stated that upon getting back to the apartment, suspect, that's you, had told victim he was in an argument with his girlfriend and needed to go. From there, suspect would take victim's vehicle without his consent. Per victim, suspect did not have consent to take the vehicle or his keys. So that's what it says. So you're saying that's not what happened?
No, ma'am.
All right, because it seems like he wasn't there. At least that's the way this police report is written. And it says that you got in an argument. I don't know who his girlfriend is because this is the way it's written. I don't know if it's supposed to be the victim's girlfriend or the suspect's girlfriend.
I mean, Your Honor, I guess the way I understand it, they're all hanging out together at an apartment.
Okay.
I think, were you saying that you didn't think that it said that the complaining witness was present at the same time?
Yes, because they're saying that it says victim stated that upon getting back to the apartment, suspect had told the victim he was in an argument with his girlfriend and needed to go. And from there, suspect just took his vehicle and left.
The way I took the story coming from my client and the way I read it, I can understand that. I guess if we were to take it down to particulars, there might be some contradicting, but I think just the way that the report was written after the fact in sort of a prosecution guide format, I think all those things probably fit in together.
No, I'm just trying to figure out what conditions to set for him. So what you said you all were hanging out. What were you doing there?
Just watching movies, smoking, marijuana.
All right. And what else?
That's it.
And what's up with all these tattoos?
I like that too.
Well, no, I mean, what do they mean?
This one, my homeboy gave me that name before he passed away. This from my auntie. This is first and stroke, and the rest is like Bible scriptures.
All right. And then the 2K, what do you say that is?
My homeboy gave me that before he passed away because I always used to go to his crib. We used to play basketball.
And there it is. The moment every courtroom TikTok knows too well. The "we were just chilling and smoking" line. Viewers, quick poll. How often does just chilling in with probation? Drop your guesses below.
Play 2K on the game all the time. Like, that's what I like to do.
So, I mean, is that just something he did or he knew he was passing? What?
No, that's just like, he just gave me, like, he just started calling me that. So I just started going by him.
Okay. And then the above the eye?
It says LaMarcus. That's my dead brother.
Okay. So how old are you?
18.
Where is your family?
In San Antonio.
Well, I mean, where are they in your life? Why are you picking up cases and hanging out with people who it doesn't appear that any of them mean you any good because y'all are just hanging out smoking marijuana?
No, my mom, she cares. It's just I wasn't at the crib at the time. She don't know what I was doing.
Mm-hmm. And did you graduate from high school?
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you been doing with the rest of your life?
When I was out, I was working at Six Flags. I had just got my ID.
So what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
Hopefully.
This right here, this is where Judge Boyd shines. She's not angry. She's heartbroken. This is mentorship in a robe. She's basically saying, you're young, but your choices are writing your future in permanent ink. Powerful stuff.
Get out, try and see if Six Flags could accept me, work up some money, try and get my driver's license, get a car, and just, but man, I'm going to try and work at Foot Locker. I like shoes, so.
Do you have any children?
No, man.
Yes. You're not ready. It's a lot of work and it takes money. So don't have children right now. You need to take care of this.
Yes.
So I don't want to see you back here saying, I have a baby on the way because you're not ready. Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's $1,000 fine that will be probated. There's to be no contact with Donovan Taylor. And do you live with your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be partial GPS for employment and any educational things that may pop up for him. Waive fees. And that's going to be GPS with a curfew. Probation, any suggestions on the curfew? All right, there's a curfew of 10 p.m.
And Your Honor, if he had employment that kept him out past that, would that be an exception or would that be part of it?
Oh, that would be an exception,
Okay.
but he had better have proof that he has employment. And they've started closing the mall early, so,
Sure, yeah.
and don't get a job at a place that's open 24/7 because 10 p.m. But I'll look into it. But if it's just he is obtaining employment specifically so he can be out past curfew, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. There's to be restitution, if any, to Donovan Taylor. And Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset for restitution hearing. All right. And if you can give him a reset form.
Yes.
And counsel, if you called the court beforehand and with probation, or if you and probation email me and say that there's no restitution, then there'll be no need to be here on December 2nd.
Thanks, Judge.
There's going to be field visits one time per month until further notice. A hand road. There should be 180 hours of community service restitution. If you obtained a higher level education or some type of trade school certification, the court will deem the community service hours satisfied. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. Proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And probation, we can do a TAP evaluation out of custody. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled